Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at the LuminAID PackLite Max 2-in-1 phone charger. This is really neat, and LuminAID sent us this for the review. So we remember seeing this on Shark Tank, and it's a really cool company. So they not only make these lanterns for us to charge up our phones and stuff, they also provide these to people who need light and don't have a lot of power. So it's a really cool company. It's a really neat product. So we're excited to try it out. So let's take a look and see how it works. It comes in this little bag. And what this is, it's really for outdoor use. So, for camping, hiking, anything you're going to do outdoors. It's a little solar, all right, it's a solar paneled lantern, and it also doubles as a phone charger. So here it is. It's very lightweight. See this big solar panel on the top. And then it's got a little, twist it here, and this becomes a little lantern, so you can inflate it. Might as well blow it up. Gives us a little air here so you can see. So it's pretty cute. It's a little lantern, so it's clear in there, so it'll make a light. And what you do is you charge this up either with the sun, or you can use this micro USB. Actually have a little micro USB over here. And it's got two ports here up on the top, one for charging and one for actually plugging in your phone if you want to charge your phone. Let's go ahead and plug it in here. So right now it's charging. So you can see a little red light is charging. So it's got a battery in here that is powered by the solar panel or charged up by this USB, micro USB. So this is really neat. It's very lightweight. It's flexible. You can fold it down so you can pack it up real easy. And so it becomes a great camping lantern. You can read by it. You needed some extra light. So there it is. Lights up. Or you can turn that off. And it's got different settings for the light, depending on how bright you want it. There we go. Or you can have it flash. So there we go. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's see what it looks like outside. Turn it on. There it is. And it's got different light settings. So you can dim it. You can also make it flash. Let's see what it looks like if you have it hanging up. So there it is. You can change the intensity. Or I can make it flash. All right, so this is great as on its own as like a little lantern, but you can also charge your phone with it, and everybody needs to charge their phone. So I'm going to unplug the micro USB for a second. And you can see here, it's got a USB-A, and I've got my handy dandy cable over here to charge my phone. Go ahead and plug it in. And in order to get the charge to come out, you have to push this little red button over here. There it goes, and you can see my phone is charging. All right, so that is the LuminAID PackLite Max 2-in-1 charger. So it's really neat. It's a little lantern. It's got a handle, so you can hang it up, so you can have a lantern when you're camping. It's got the solar panel that charges its internal battery, or you can charge it with micro USB to get it nice and charged. And it can also charge your phone, your tablet, your camera, or other things that you can plug in with its built-in charger. Thank you.